Each year, Microsoft Research hosts hundreds of influential speakers from around the world, including leading scientists, renowned experts in technology, book authors, and leading academics, and makes videos of these lectures freely available.
My name is Rafael Sidi. I work for Elsevier. I do online product development for researchers, scientists. And unfortunately, with any online demo, one thing that you don't want to get in the morning, 9:08, saying that there's a problem with the system. So right now, we have a problem with our system. Now, Lee has been sending these transformers emails. And for me, transformer, when I think about transformer, as an engineer, I think this kind of transformer. But some people think this kind of transformers. And I strongly believe that right now we are really transforming. Right now we are living in a transformation age. And we are all people of the book. And in this transformation age, we are all becoming people of the e-reader or the smartphones. And currently, there's a fundamental change the way that we communicate, the way that we create, publish, share, collaborate, and knowledge exchange, and the way that we do knowledge discovery. So, as a publisher, what we have to do in this changing environment? Everyone is talking about crowdsourcing, and Harvard is going to their students to figure out how they can improve their student lives. Basically, people going to the community to come up with solutions. Descartes said, "Je pense donc je suis." But today's world, I think, we think, therefore we are. That's the way that the transformation is happening today. And everyone is living about these applications, the solutions. The way that I look at the applications, those are solutions. So these people transformed the applications in 1878. And today, just we need to extend that. And our users, all the people whom we are serving, they take granted the solutions. So as a publisher, as an information solution provider, what we have to do? The way that we think is that none of us is smart as all of us. So in a changing world, then we need to change too. We talk about revolutions, everything. So if there is a revolution as a publisher, how we are going to respond to that revolution? How we are going to help scientists in this information overload, in this changing environment? We are going to change as publisher, information provider, but when we change, we need to take a key element. The community is the key stakeholder, whatever we are going to do in this changing environment. So what we are saying that we want to open, when we are changing, we want to open our doors to the scientists and developers. We want to collaborate with them. We want to create a trusted relationship with them. And we want to provide them the tools for them to improve their search and discovery, to improve their workflow solution. So as Elsevier, we own plenty of products. What we have done is we brought science-direct, Scopus, or web products together in one platform. And then what we said, we want to open this platform to the scientific community. Let them build solutions. Let them build applications that is going to help them. So what we did, we are providing our content, XML content, to scientists and developers, and we are providing our APIs to the scientific community to build applications on top of our platform. The way that we see is that besides just publishing journal, we are also looking to create another ecosystem of publishing applications. That's what we want to do. And recognition is key element. So what we can see in the future that scientists, developers building these applications and sharing these applications with the scientific community can get recognitions. Now, I'm going to take the chance and go back to the live demo. So what we have done is we are providing the APIs and our content. So we created an application marketplace where people can build web applications. And those web applications are being integrated into ScienceDirect, Scopus, in different parts of the products. And in order to create these applications, we are doing hackathons. We are seed funding some of the universities and institutions to start these applications. And this is the example of the application gallery that we have We launched this in January 2011, and so far we have around 50 applications built by the scientists and developers. So let's go. Okay. So this is the application marketplace. And all the applications here are built by developers, including institutions, corporations, and individual developers. And in any application marketplace, you can go to application. This is a collaboration that we did with Pangea in Europe. You can look at the application, and you can review the application, and then you can add the application. So the way that I can show this is in the application gallery. This is a brand new application that we developed. Our aim also is to bring library subscribed content, expose those library subscribed content to the user. So we collaborated with Villanova University here. They have an opaque searching platform. We partnered with them. They created an opaque search platform for Villanova. And when you go to Hub, where we integrated all ScienceDirect, Scopus, and web content, when you get the search results, what you see, unfortunately, that's not appearing. So applications are integrated in your search results in this case. And here, this is our aim is we can turn the pages into applications. So this is an application that we created. It's providing Wikipedia result at your search results. And in this case, this application that Villanova created is providing links to their catalog. So you can go to their catalog, and you can see what they have in their catalog. So what we have done also is we created another templated application for users who have this ViewFind solution, so they can create, just putting their university logo, they can create their own templated application. So we want to create more customization for the community. So you can add this application, and then the application is going to appear in your search results. So I would like to present some examples how with applications we are enriching search and discovery. This is, again, an application where we integrated geospatial data in the article. So everything that you see here right now is an application that was built by third party. And when you look at the article, we want to also enrich the article by the applications. In this case, we partner with Mendeley. They build an application, and you can see which are the readers who are using this article, and you can see their subject and from which countries they are coming. Also, if you want to create a citation from this application, you can just create the citation. This is also an application. Or if you want to like this article, just you click, and then you like the article. So these are the way that applications are working. Another applications that we created working with NCBI is Sequence Viewer. So you can just easily, seamlessly link to the sequence data from the article. You don't need to go to another place and do your search, cut and paste your article. Again, if you want to see protein structure in the article, that's another application that we build by partnering with PDB guys. So you can see the protein structure here as an application. Or you can look at to reflect application here. And what we are also doing is, we are also partnering with developers, and we are doing application challenges. We are developing hackathons at the universities. So our aim is just to, instead of pushing solutions to the scientific community, working with the scientific community, giving them our API and content we are telling, okay, we can build all the solutions together. That's basically it.